Hi children, in this video we are going to learn how to make a double boat using origami paper. Okay, let's start. Take origami paper, square shape, turn a paper and make a fold into half. You will get a rectangle shape. Now open and you will get a middle line there. On both the sides, again make a fold into half. After folding, now turn and again fold into half. You will get a square shape as shown. Now you will see the middle line. You will have two sides. Now fold them into half, both the sides. Another side. Now we have four sides, four boxes. Now twist and fold the paper outside. Again another side, bottom side. Now again top. You will get a triangle shape on four sides. Last one. Almost a double boat is ready. Now we are going to turn out the paper. Now fold into half. Now a double boat is ready. Very simple craft. You can also try this. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.